So very quick how-to. I have a new LRX device. I have a 2007 GT500 race red with satin silver stripes. It could be Rio red. I really don't remember what this was, but I'm pretty sure it was race red. But here's a new LRX. This is a Lund tune, 6R80 conversion. We're using a Make It Modular 6R, or I should say 3-valve, to Coyote swap harness, so to speak, since we convert these essentially to Coyote cars. You're going to plug in your USB cable that comes with the LRX. You're going to plug in the LRX to the DLC connector down there. That will power the device. Key on. And then you're going to open up your LRX updater and connect to it. And then you're going to push update. And what it's going to do is going to update the device. It's going to sync or download the tune. What it's doing right now is saving the stock file. So once it updates, your tune will populate right here. And then you go back to this, you go to programming, do tune, but it's going to make you save stock cal first. So now it's saving the stock calibration. Once it's done doing that, then you'll be able to go to step 2 and start downloading the tune. You're going to want to make sure your battery is hooked to a battery tender or something to that effect, because this will potentially drain the battery on most of these new cars, because this does take some time. And then once that's done, this file will be in here, and then you can do your data logging, and then you're going to pull LRX updater back up, update it, and then you'll do your log files, engineering logs, and then you're going to save your logs. Don't get a hard on, because the screen's not going to come up right away. It's going to take a second. Your first log will come up, you'll save it, and then that's it. If you did multiple logs, then the next screen will come up, the next screen will come up, it'll keep coming up. So don't think it's the same one over and over again. Alright, so now that that's done, you're going to key off for 3 seconds. You really don't actually have to key off for that amount of time, and then that's it, back. So now you can go back into programming, key on, continue, performance cals, E85 is the only tune we have so far. You're going to do continue, and now it's going to write to the car. Sending bootloader. You're going to want to make sure that your computer, any of that kind of stuff, does not power down while this is happening. Same thing if you had HP tuners. If your screen goes dim or shuts off, or auto shuts off to save battery power, it's going to corrupt the file or tune. It's happened to me many times, so try not to let that happen. Just keep everything alive and awake. This thing won't power down, but I'm just worried about the computer. You just want to keep it active. So I just move the mouse around every once in a while, but that's it. Once this is done, then you can key off, push the back button, start the car.